What's it called? Snap down. Snap down. Snap down. Everybody snap. Snap down. Okay. So, follow me. You grab a wrist and then you grab a neck. Wrist and then neck. Okay? Everyone, please make T-Rex arms. T-Rex arms. Now make chicken arms. Which is right? T-Rex or chicken? Everybody say T-Rex. T-Rex arms. So I grab the wrist and I grab the neck. Now, this is the snap down. I want to make sure I step back and snap down. Straight down. Step back, snap down. You see how Coach fell? Did she smash her face? Say no. Please don't smash your faces. And then right away, immediately, don't wait, you're gonna sprawl. This is called sprawl. Put your hands on the person and chest down. Got it? Watch again. What do I grab first? Wrist. Then I grab that. Neck. Then I step back and I snap down. Now what? Somebody say sprawl. Did I crush her into pieces? Say no. One more time, please. Somebody help me. What do I grab first? Wrist. Then I grab the neck. Then I step back and I snap down. Now what? Sprawl. Beautiful. Ready? 1, 2. We are going to practice from our butts. Then I'm going to show you how it works after we snap down. It all fits together like a jiu-jitsu puzzle. What are these called? Who can tell me? Seatbelt. And what are my feet called? Hooks. Incredible. Seatbelt and hooks. And look, I'm going to keep my face close to Coach like I'm telling her a secret.
Like a koala bear.
Capiche? I want you to get here and hold on for a little bit, and then we'll switch. I don't want this person to get out. Cool? All right. Make it happen. Ready? 1, 2.
So kick. You're going to try that on me? Yeah. Keep me secure on the ground. Okay. Brian, watch this. Kelly's going to try to grab onto me.
Hooks and seatbelt. Beautiful. Did I flop over? No. Is she on my back? Say yes. Okay, good job. Now, let me show you how it all fits together. The jiu-jitsu puzzle. Who can tell me what I'm about to do? Who said snap down? Snap down. Wrist, neck, step back, snap down. Beautiful. Now what? Sprawl. Now, I'm going to keep my chest on her like we said, and I'm going to spin a little. Spin a little. And then when I say table, she's going to turn into a table. Spin, spin, spin. Somebody say table. Table. Hooks and seatbelt. Hooks and seatbelt. Exactly like when we were on our butts, except now we're on top. Fish? Watch again. You guys are going to help me out. Wrist, neck, step back, snap, down. Now what? Sprawl. Now say spin. Spin. Somebody say table. Table. What do I put in my hooks and seatbelt? Very good. Hooks and seatbelt. Is Coach flopping over? Nope. No, she's being an awesomely strong table. Thank you, Coach. done. Now, are you ready for jiu-jitsu magic?
Yes.
Ready? Roll! Table! What? So after they rolled, I spidered, they popped up, I got in my and wow, these guys are now it's time to flatten them out. Flatten them out like a pancake. I'm gonna clap my feet together like this. Everybody do this with your hands. We're gonna do that with our feet. And we're gonna kick back like a horse.
Like getting a horsey.
Now coach is a pancake. Gavish?
Beach.
I can't go anywhere.
She's stuck. She's stuck. Okay? I did my job. I made her stuck so she can't hurt me anymore. Sound good? Somebody say spider. Somebody say table. Somebody say hooks and seatbelt. Somebody say flatten out. So what do? I gotta kick back.
The kick back and relax.
There you go. Kick back. Like a horse. Who thinks they could show me? Who would like to give me a Go, man. Alright, start it now. Let's see if we can put this together. Oh, I think we're going to snap down. Beautiful. Snap down, sprawl, spin, and flatten out time. Remember everything we did?
Memorize it all.
Go. Alright. What do I grab first?
Rest.
Then neck, step back, snap. Now. Sprawl. Sprawl. Good job. Sprawl. Now what?
Go up.
Spin.
Table.
Hooks. Seatbelt. And flatten out. Flatten out. Kick back like a horse. Fish? Can we put it all together like a jiu-jitsu puzzle?
Yeah.
Alright, prove it. Ready? 1, 2.